Hey everybody, David here from Living Tech. Today we're going to unbox and review TOPLight's Tesla Model 3 all-weather car mats. Let's make it happen. Big unboxing. All right, so let's see if I can pull out a small, oh, that's the back seat one. Okay, so right from the start, I can see it's flexible material, which is really nice. I have some Tough Pro mats and they're not flexible at all. The original doesn't have this part. The original looks like that. So this has an extra section for the person sitting in the middle. It's reasonably light, but heavy enough to be strong feeling, if you know what I mean. I don't think that regular use is going to rip these or deform these in any way. They are guaranteed forever, by the way, so I'm not that concerned about that. It's got some material around the edges. It appears to be glued, and it finishes it nicely. I'm not sure if that is the reason they did it or if it helps to make it more non-slip. Anyway, it looks nice. So there you go. That's for the back seat. We'll give that one a try. These look roughly the shape of the, possibly exactly the shape of the original mats. So nothing really to say about that. But again, nice and light, strong feeling. I like these. The reason I mentioned the Tough Pro is that they have little points that stick out on the back, like the plastic you put under your chair at a desk, say. And it's hard, first of all, they're hard to roll up, which you sometimes have to do, especially for the trunk piece in the Model X, which is the one I have. It's hard to roll back. The roll, when you do roll it back, it ends up being about 40 or 50 centimeters in diameter, and it's hard on the hands to carry them because they're heavy and they've got these little spikes all over them. So I appreciate the fact that these are flexible and lighter. So let's install these in the car and see how they fit. In terms of the material itself, so far, great. Okay, so let's install this guy. Something like that. Yeah, that fits well. So this does not have a lip on the side, on the perimeter of the mat. Like some of them do. Like I think it's the Tux mat that comes up like about this far. That makes them not flexible, so you probably have to store those ones flat. Although it does mean that water could pool inside them. However, with these, it's got the indentations, so I bet you it would hold a fair amount of water. And dirt and grit and stuff. So I like these because I've lived with the inflexible sort of mats before and it bothered me. I guess it depends if you're bringing in huge amounts of snow. Maybe they're not as good as they would be on just wet days in the spring, summer, fall. I'm not really sure they are intended for all weather, but I think it just depends on your use case. Whether or not you need to hold this much water in your mat and therefore have big edges that go around the perimeter. So anyway, I like these, but let's put the rest in and see how they fit. Okay, so let's give this a shot. Looks like this is going to be a lot easier than the Model X. Okay, this is odd. This and this are tied up against the inside rail. Fine, good. And here, there's a centimeter around the edge. I would have put it up against the inside rail. The rail isn't something that moves. But around this side, there's about 2 centimeters. 1 centimeter here, another almost 2 centimeters, and The reason I don't like that is, you know, especially with winter snow and stuff, to not have it covering the whole floor. You know, snow is going to get caught in there, I think. That's not going to be good. I think that it will be an easy fix for the manufacturers, but I think the manufacturers are going to have to adjust their die or whatever to make sure this fits better. But anyway, let's see how the driver's side one looks. I'm going to pass this through from this side. A little easier. This isn't exactly the same angle. This comes out at, you know, there is a little slice of pie in here, so it comes right against the edge here, and then it's off at an angle. Definitely something I would ask them to just recut, and then it'll be fixed for everybody. In fact, that's exactly what I'm going to do. They seem super cool, the people who make this, so I've spoken with them personally. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's do a quick wrap up. I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like in that order. First of all, these are great looking mats, I find. I like that they put the material around the edge. I don't know if that's for anti-slip or if it's just for aesthetics, but whatever, it looks great. The material is light, but heavy enough so that it seems like it'll stay in place. It's strong and it's flexible. They look like they will collect the moisture and the grit and the snow quite well because of the relief, and they are warranted for life. And the price is the least expensive of any of the mats I saw. So those are all great points. What I didn't like is, especially in the back seat, it doesn't fit correctly. And it's something that I believe that they will fix maybe before you even see this video. So I can't imagine them not fixing it. Anyway, that's the only bad thing I have to say about these, just the dimensions. So that's it for this review. If you like these mats and want to purchase them, please use our link below. It helps our channel. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for tuning in.